Hey everybody, Greg Davies here. In this video I'm going to show you how to embed a YouTube video on your website. Basically you have two options to add videos to your website. You can buy a video player software or you can use a free video hosting service like YouTube. I'm going to show you YouTube now because that's the most popular and I think it's a great choice for your videos. So I go to youtube.com and all you have to do is sign up an account. It's totally free. Then log in. And you can upload your videos right here. Just click the upload button and you can upload your video. After you've uploaded a video, you can embed the code and add it to your website. Actually, you can add any YouTube video to your website, not just yours. Simply go to the videos page, like this one is one of my videos, and right below the video, look for a button that says embed. Actually, I click share. And there it is. I click embed. Okay, I choose a size like 640 by 360 pixels, whatever. I can change it later in the code. And I don't want to show suggested videos when the video finishes. I want people to stay on my website and watch my videos. Okay, now I just select the code and press Ctrl C or Command C on the Mac, and let's go back to Dreamweaver. Okay, I want to place my video right after this paragraph, so I put my cursor here, go to the code, and I'm gonna paste my code in. There you go. Okay, I'm going to resize my video here in the code. I'll make the video like, let's say 720 pixels wide, and my video is HD and I want to keep the 16:9 aspect ratio, so I have to do a little bit of math here to keep the original aspect ratio of the video. 720 divided by 16 multiplied by 9 equals 405. So I make it 405 pixels tall to keep the aspect ratio. If you resize your video, always make sure you keep the aspect ratio. Okay, I need a div tag wrapping around the video so I can position it the way I want. So right before the video code, I type in a div start tag. And I'm going to use an inline style now, so I can style my div tag right here in the code without messing with the CSS file. But if you end up using the same exact div tag in more places on your website, then you might want to move its properties to your CSS file and use a class style instead of an inline style. For now I'm going to use an inline style. So just type in width, (720 pixels), just like my video. Close it off, hit my space bar. I type in height, 405 pixels. Close it off, hit my space bar. I type in margin. I'm not going to type in margin left, margin right, margin bottom, and top separately. I just type in margin, and I can type in all four values in a clockwise motion starting from the top. So like top 35 pixels, hit my space bar, right auto, hit my space bar, bottom let's say 35 pixels, hit my space bar, and left auto as well, and close it off. And I've given it a margin left auto and a margin right auto to center it. And if you only type in one value for a margin property, then it's going to rotate and it's going to apply all the way around. If you type in two values, they're going to rotate as well. The first value will apply to the top, the second to the right, the first again to the bottom, and the second again to the left. it goes in a clockwise motion, starting from the top and rotating if you type in less than 4 values. Okay, I close my div start tag and I create a div end tag as well, right after my video. Cool. Now I go to design view and here's my video. I can preview it in a browser like Safari. I have to save the changes and there you go. Here's my video up and running. I can play it, or if you want the video to automatically play on your site, then let's go back to Dreamweaver and I go back to the code, and right after the 0 number type in end autoplay equals 1, and now the video will automatically play on your site as soon as the page loads. Okay, so this is how you embed a YouTube video on your website. And if you use a different video hosting service, or even if you buy a video player software, it's the same thing. You cut and paste, maybe edit a little bit and add the video to your website. It's easy. Okay, I'm gonna insert an order button right below the video. I'm in code view, so I just put my cursor right after the video code and I go to my insert panel, common and image, click on this little arrow here and I can insert a regular image, an image placeholder. It can be used for an image that you haven't created yet, but you know its size and where you want to put it. So you can put an image placeholder there, and when you have your image ready, you just point the placeholder to the image and you get a regular image. I can also insert a rollover image. A rollover image is basically 2 different images that change when somebody mouses over the image. For example, you can create 2 different order buttons with different colors, and by using a rollover image, if somebody hovers over the image, it will change. It's pretty cool. I can also insert a fireworks HTML, and then I have hotspots. You can create a hotspot area on an image and you can define a link to that hotspot area. Okay, I'm gonna insert a regular image. I just browse my order button, click OK, and for the alternate text I type in add to cart. I could type in some additional keywords for search engines, whatever, and click OK. And here's my image code. Make sure you don't have a p paragraph tag wrapping around your image, because if you do and you style your paragraph tag in CSS, it's going to apply to the image as well, and you don't want that. You want to style your image separately. So make sure you don't have a p paragraph tag wrapping around your image code. And in order to position the image, I need a div tag around it. So I copy a div start tag from my video and just paste it in. I also copy a div end tag and paste it in after my image end tag. Okay, my image is 240 pixels wide and 60 pixels tall in this case, so I'll make my div tag the same, 220 pixels wide and 60 pixels tall. Okay, the margin, well, I'll keep it the way it is. Let's check it out, see how it looks. I go to design view and it looks fine to me. If I select the div tag around the image, I will see the margin 35 pixels above it. I select my video, actually the div tag around the video, and it has a margin bottom 35 pixels below it as well. Yet I only see one of them here, and that's because in CSS margins collapse and whatever is the largest number holds true. Okay, I select my image and I link it to my order page. Okay, I type in 0 for the border to get rid of the image border that comes with the linked image. I hit my enter key and my image is now a link, and now I have a video and an order button linking to my order page where I can have an order form that people can fill out to buy my stuff. Pretty easy, right? Okay, I end this video now. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.